Okay, I'll make a quick 1-minute video here. Perhaps this is overunity. I have generator coils over here. There's no lens because I have the rotor trailing about 12 degrees in rotation to the rotor magnets over here. Motor coils share the same core with the generator coils. There's no lens law happening. So I put lens reaction. I put 3 batteries in parallel here. They're all being charged. It goes up real steadily. And I'm only drawing 190 to 200 milliamps and 12 volts and 12.55 volts. So if I leave this like going for, I don't know, 5 hours, 6 hours, we should have a fairly depleted battery here, but 3 very charged batteries here. This is, I'm saying perhaps, this is about the simplest thing I can do right now. And so I just said I'd take a video of it. And, okay, thanks for watching.